Hey there, this is Jason. Here is the Rincon Bikeway path footage from my 360-degree camera in Immersive VR that I used in my full Ventura to Santa Barbara ride video. On a phone or tablet, you can drag the view in all directions. And on a computer, you can also click and drag. Unfortunately, on most TV apps, you'll just see the entire view stretched in frame. The other thing, different from most of my 360-degree videos, is that the camera is mounted behind me and turned with the lenses facing the side for best views of the water and beach. This means the default view is turned to the left. To look forward, just turn the view to the right slightly. And finally, this sound is recorded on wireless mics and oriented to the forward view. It won't follow you as you look around. But there is a second English language audio track enabled to turn off my narration, if you wish. This bikeway, built in 2014, eliminated miles of freeway shoulder riding on the very busy Highway 101 and offers unobstructed views of the Santa Barbara Channel and Channel Islands National Park. The freeway traffic noise is the only real detraction. FYI, the point ahead is Mussel Shoals, and that pier is for transporting petroleum from offshore rigs. It's piped on the seabed to the end of the pier, and then stored at an onshore facility. The afternoon haze is hiding the islands right now. They're clearest in the morning or during offshore winds, as long as there's no coastal marine layer fog. In a sec, we'll get to Mussel Shoals, where there's a break in the bikeway to cross freeway entrances and exits. If you look left, you'll get a good view of the pier. And now we'll continue to the end of the bikeway at Rincon Point. The coastal bluffs here separate the beach shelf from the hilly uplands, between the coast and Lake Casitas. The bluffs are very unstable along here and have had a number of large landslides, including one tragically in 2005 that led to the deaths of several residents of the community of La Conchita there on the right across the freeway. If you look to the left, you can see a ramp leading to the beach. It connects just ahead to the trail. And yes, it connects via an underpass tunnel to the village of La Conchita as well. Then, off my left shoulder, you can see Rincon Point. That's where the bikeway ends, for now. Just ahead, the waves lap the rocks right at the trail edge. I imagine at times of heavy surf, sea spray might be a risk. Rincon Point was once quite the obstacle to travel down the coast. You can see the work they had to do just to pass the highway through here. We're almost to the northern terminus of the trail. You'll see the parking lot for the beach park ahead. And now we coast down the hill to Bates Road. And then we'll go up to the park to see where they'll continue the trail in the future. Just at the turnaround ahead, the trail will climb to the Carpinteria Bluffs ahead, where those paragliders are. How you doing, 360? Okay, time for my first proper break since Ventura at the picnic shelter ahead. I think up here on the bluff, we may even get a view of the islands. Hope you enjoyed this immersive VR ride on the Rincon Bikeway. Watch my full Ventura to Santa Barbara ride for the whole experience, and like and subscribe for more POV and VR rides like this. Bye for now.